Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can change your home address in Google Maps app on your iPhone. What I need to do is just open your Google Maps app, then tap on your profile at the upper right corner, tap on settings, then scroll down and tap on edit home or work, then tap on labeled, and next to home tap on 3 horizontal dots and tap on edit home. Now you can enter your new address and tap on done. That's how you can change your home address in Google Maps app on your iPhone. Thank you for watching.